Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a perfume haul, and I guess we can call it a blind buy haul because I did sniff two of the perfumes on a tester strip when I was buying them, but I did not spray it on my skin because of COVID. We're not allowed to test out perfumes. So I do have my Sephora bag, and two of the perfumes are not from Sephora. One is from Marshall's and the other one I ordered on eBay. And sorry about this little jumper. I am in love with it, but I did order it a few months ago when I was a few pounds heavier, and now it's just like it won't stay in place because it's too big on me. Because when I lose weight, my girls go with the weight too. I'm going to start with the Sephora buys, and the reason why I went into Sephora is because I had an exchange, and I thought that I was going to have to pay a difference, and I ended up having to only pay $3 difference because one of the perfumes was half off and I had no idea. So the first perfume that I'm going to be talking about is Dior Poison Girl. I did try this perfume before moving to Puerto Rico, and I don't think I gave it a fair chance. I sprayed it on my skin and I just wasn't feeling it, and I went and exchanged it or returned it. And I did get the EDT. This bottle is gorgeous. So here is the bottle. I love the cap, so cute. Okay, so the main accords for Poison Girl is citrus, vanilla, sweet, caramel, powdery, and amber. And then the top notes are frosted orange, bitter orange, lemon. Middle notes are neroli, orange blossom, grass rose, damask rose. And then the base notes are vanilla, caramel, tonka bean, heliotrope, and cashmere. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it first on the box like I always do. And when you first spray it, you do get the frosted orange, bitter orange, and lemon. So it opens up very fresh. And the part that I like about this perfume is the vanilla, the caramel. That's the notes that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on my skin to see how it smells on me right here. Yeah, you definitely get the orange. It's like a blast of orange at first, and orange blossom. I'm just waiting for it to warm up, but it smells good. I don't know why I didn't. I wonder if maybe I didn't buy the EDT and maybe I bought the EDP, and maybe that's why it smells different. When the vanilla and the caramel start coming out, oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is, I think men would really, really like this perfume. It has that vanilla, creamy, soft smell to it. This is good. This is really good. Definitely the orange and the lemon, once that dries down, you don't really smell it in this perfume. To me, I smell the vanilla and the caramel are really coming through. A little bit of the orange stays there, but not too much. Okay, the next one falls in that same category, and this is Pinrose Secret Genius. Ooh, look at that packaging. Super nice. And I got the, what size is this? 1.7 fluid ounce, and it says that this is Madagascan vanilla, caramel, and sandalwood. It says, melt hearts with this romantic blend of vanilla and caramel, perfect for hatching plans and sneaking kisses. Vibe is sexy, comforting, and trustworthy, and sips like White Russian. This is so cute. This was the one that was half off, so I thought that it was gonna be 70 something, and when I look at my receipt, it was $45 or $46, so that's a really good deal. Oh, the bottle looks different from what I've seen. I guess maybe they're like, are they redoing the bottles or something? But this is what the bottle looks like. Secret Genius. Really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead. I already told you guys the notes, but on Fragrantica, this says that this is sweet, caramel, vanilla, woody, powdery, balsamic, and chocolate. The top note is caramel, then you have white chocolate in the middle notes, Madagascar vanilla, sandalwood, and cedar. You see how the bottle looks different? Let's see if this will focus. On the website, on Fragrantica, it's a white bottle, but I got like a clear bottle. I don't know if there's a difference. I hope I'm looking at the right thing, but let's go ahead and let's spray the box. That's so good. It's supposed to open up with caramel, and I think I definitely get that. This one is, I think, warmer in the opening than Poison Girl. I'm gonna spray it on this side. It's a little alcohol-y when you first spray it. Oh, that's so good. I think I immediately get some chocolate and caramel for sure. And the vanilla. It's a very sweet, gourmand type of scent. It feels like you can eat this up. But the cedarwood and the sandalwood help it to not be like you're spraying like cookies on yourself and you don't have any type of like fragrance going on. Oh, that smells so good. This is going to be a favorite, and I think this type of scent for bedtime and for cuddling, like Netflix and chill type of date, or takeout, or even to go eat dinner. But this definitely smells like something like to cuddle with, or to stay home, or to go to bed with. It's very intimate. Feels like it's going to be a skin scent. I don't think the projection will be crazy, but I would have to wear it to see how that goes. This is a really nice video because it's a blind buy haul, but this is going to center around vanillas, caramel, and gourmand sweet fragrances. This is another one that I really wanted to try, and this is Fancy by Jessica Simpson. Got this on eBay, I would say for 24. I usually say 24, but that's how much usually. And this is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. This is the big boy, or the big girl. This gives me like girl vibes. But look at this bottle, how gorgeous. That is beautiful. It's huge. The main accords for Fancy are sweet, fruity, caramel, vanilla, powdery, almond. I'm so excited. White, floral, amber, fresh, and nutty. I am on an almond kick. I have Hypnotic Poison coming in the mail. I think that one's coconut and almond in it. But I am just loving the way almond just is so comforting and so warm and soft. I'm really, really liking that. So let me read the notes. The top notes is pear, apricot, and red berries. And then the middle notes are caramel, almond, gardenia, and jasmine. I'm a little worried about the gardenia because sometimes I don't get along with gardenia. But the base notes are vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. It sounds like a dream fragrance right now. My taste has been changing so much lately. I think the more perfumes you smell and you learn, you start to appreciate different scents. is nice. That is so nice. The pear, apricot, and berries. It's like a fresh, like uplifting smell at first. This is good. This is so good. Listen to your YouTube perfume channels, because I've been hearing all the perfume channel, like all the ladies that talk about perfumes, they've been recommending this. They're right. The caramel's coming through now. And the almond. Yes, I'm gonna put this one right here like I always do. I always end up with like 4 fragrances when I'm done with these videos, but this is good because they all probably go together. Poison Girl is smelling so good. Caramel, vanilla. Yummy. Pinrose, the chocolate gives it like a sweeter taste, and then there's a little bit of like musk in there, maybe the sandalwood or the woody, like a woody touch to it that really makes it super sexy in a way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smell fancy. This one's a little bit more fruity in the opening, but the caramel, almond, and vanilla are there. This one is so yummy, and I would classify this a like cuddle type of perfume too. I know my husband would love all of these. The gardenia in this perfume is not, I'm not picking it up that much, by the way. Usually if the gardenia is too strong, I can't do it. But this one is really, really good. I'm starting to pick up the gardenia a little bit, like the more that I smell it, but it's done so nicely. It goes perfect with everything. I'm pretty sure I'm also getting the jasmine, but the almond and the caramel and the vanilla just make it soft. It's not a sharp gardenia or like a floral smell. Florals tend to just give me headaches. They're too strong for me. This is beautiful. Beautiful fragrance. One more and we could have a successful blind buy haul, because my last one, I had one that was horrible, and that was the Mugler or Mugler Crocier. No, that one just didn't work for me. Okay, so the last one that I'm going to do is super popular as well, and this is Pink Sugar by Aquilina. This was very inexpensive at Marshall's. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce for $21.99. Get it up right there. The cap on this already right away sucks. I don't like it, but here is the bottle. It looks more like a body splash to me. I wouldn't think that this is like a perfume. And this one I'm just gonna go ahead and spray on my skin. So the main accords for Pink Sugar are sweet, caramel, vanilla, fruity, soft, spicy, and powdery. So same vibe as the other 3. And this one has raspberry, orange, bergamot, and fig leaf in the top notes. The middle notes, there's cotton candy, licorice, red berry, strawberry, and lily of the valley. That's very interesting. And then the base notes are caramel, vanilla, musk, tonka bean, and sandalwood. Oh, let's go. Ooh, it's sweet, but I don't know, what is it, like the fig leaf or the bergamot? It's a little sharp. Let's wait until the sweetness kicks in. Everyone either raves about it or hates it. So the cotton candy. I don't really hear people talk about, maybe because I am a cotton candy like addict. I see cotton candy, I'm gonna eat it. So maybe that's why. I smell cotton candy. It's starting to turn very sweet and pretty, like an innocent type of smell. It takes me back to like my childhood because I did eat so much cotton candy. This one, I think it's sweet, but it's not on the vibe that I'm getting from the other three. The other three are very similar vibes: cozy, cuddling, warm, almondy, caramel scents. They're just so soft and nice. Fancy's really nice. Yeah. All these fragrances are beautiful. This one I might take a little bit getting used to, but I know that I can rock it. It doesn't smell like something that's going to give me a headache, even though I usually find out if they're gonna give me a headache once I wear them, because I do spray them everywhere. I get cotton candy. I read reviews where people said that this smelled like burnt sugar, or like brown sugar, burnt sugar, or something like that. I'm not really getting that vibe, but again, I think the way that people smell perfumes is if you're very familiar with a certain smell, you're bound to pick that one up quicker than other notes because you've been around that smell a lot. So I definitely smell cotton candy. Cotton candy. This is like a very sweet candy fragrance. I do get something else. I think the caramel is starting to come through. The berries are there, but they're very like in the background. The main two things that pop up for me are cotton candy, and now the caramel is starting to come through. So okay, so that is going to be it for this blind buy haul. So this blind buy haul was super successful. I feel like I liked all of them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment down below if you like any of these fragrances, if you don't like some of them. How do you feel about them? How do they smell to you? Or comment anything that you would like down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video.